Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see about the Oracle Apex pages. We are going to explore the Oracle Apex pages. What are the options available and what are the things we can see here? So let's begin the session. See, this is the Oracle Apex homepage. This is the Oracle Apex page. I just created a sample page in the previous session. You can check out that session to create how to create a new page. You can check out that session to get the things done. See, this we are in this page. We can see there's three sections. So left section, central pane, and the properties pane. So left pane, central pane, and properties pane. So in the left pane, we will be seeing these sections like pre-rendering, components, post rendering. In these sections, we can create a UI elements like buttons, page items, etc., etc. We can create in this region. This is central pane, or in this pane, we can see a virtual page layout. That is the items we created in the left plane. How it will be look. We can see the overview of that items, which will be visible on the output or UI page. So this is the property page. This page is used for giving a property for the items. Let's say if we selected any page item, then the items properties can be changed here. As of now, there is no page item. We just clicked on this page. So we are seeing the page properties. So this page is this two is the page ID and the page name. On this thing, in this identification, we can see name. Name is the page name. Alias, we can give that alias name. We can say it's alias name. And the title. This title will be seen in the output. This is the output page. In this title bar, you can see this demo. This is the thing we are given here. We can change this also demo page, and we can click on this to run the page. See, you can see we have changed the title demo page. So that name we can give here, and page mode normal default. This is normal model diagram. Previously we have seen model diagrams. You will get a pop-up page like that. Non-model dialog also it's visible today. This is a page template. You can give any CSS classes here, and mostly here you can try give your JavaScript external file URLs. You can upload that external file in the application in the Oracle Apex Builder, and you can reference that URLs here, or you can give any HTTP URLs here. And this is a page. In this page you can write your JavaScript codings. This is like you can declare your functions, variables that will be accessed throughout this page. You can say it's a global variables. So that page you can write your JavaScript code here. And here you can write a JavaScript code that will be executed while page is loading. That is, they mentioned here, page load even. That time this particular set of code will be executed at only one time during the page loading. In this session, this is CSS session. In this session, you can give the same like JavaScript. You can give your CSS external URLs here, and this is inline CSS. You can write your CSS classes here. That will be reflected only for this page. You can use that CSS classes in any of your page items or any regions. You can reference that CSS class. It will be the styles will be applied here. And this is HTML header. Like you can write your HTML boilerplates here that will be rendered out. This is a footer, and this is a header and footer text. You can give this will be footer, and header will be rendered at the above on top of the page and bottom of the page. And these are all some security things. This will see later. That's all here. Now we can create, we can see this left pane. So left pane we are consisting of three sections: pre-rendering, components, and post-rendering. Pre-rendering, this is the place where we can write our code that should be loaded or executed before the page is completely rendered. For example, I need to fetch some important variables or some information. I need to fetch that from the database. based on that information I need to render the page. Like based on that I need to render this, either this or that, like if conditions we can use. So for that thing we need to fetch those information in the pre-rendering section. Under this you can write your PLSQL code. That is, you can't write your JavaScript code, you can write your PLSQL code. And this component section is the actual thing. This body is actual, we can create a page elements. See your body, on that you just right click on that, you will see some major option: create region, page item, create button. And this expand all collapse and all means that is not necessary. See, create region, you can create, it will create one dummy region. This is a region, we will say. So you just run and check. So this is a temporary region is created. And you can create a button, page buttons. This is page item. Like in normal HTML, we will have form tag. In that input type, input element will be there. INPUT, input. So in that we will select text field or something. So here we have major thing like image upload, password field, number field. Like that many things is there. You can select and you can give your name. This name is the label name, what it need to be displayed. For example, I am giving employee number. Now I am running this. Here you can see this is an item. This is employee number is the label we have given to the template. So it's coming that label. So we can enter a text. It is used to like a input box, input text. We can get the inputs from the user using this text fields. These are the form elements. So this is the, now this property belongs to the page item. Here you can see page item. For that newly created p2 underscore new, this page properties are visible. Here p2 underscore new means p2 is this page name, p is page item, this id is 2, so p2 underscore, this new is our page item. We can give any other name also, like employee, something we can give. So after giving, it will change this name. And your type is like text field, email field, or something we can select from this type of that input. Here label is, you can give the label for the input. Here you are seeing subtype. Subtype is nothing but the, if you are selected here email field, then you can give, if not here, this is text field. It's a general field. It will be you can enter characters, numbers, anything with this text field. But specifically, I am going to enter a email thing. I am going to put a email, means I can select a text field, and in that subtype I can select a email. Then I will get a virtual keyboard at symbol in the keyboard. In a mobile phones, especially this will be working. And phone numbers, now only numbers keyboard will be visible. So we can make like this useful things. This is leading and trailing. If I am entering some text, the before, if I given any spaces or after any spaces, it will remove that spaces. This is text cases like uppercase or lowercase. The entering text should be in uppercase or lowercase. We can specify that. And this is a region under which region it should be. Here no parent. If I select a new, it will be below, it will become a child of that new region. This is start new position, this automatic, this and all we'll see later. This is the template. Here it is by default, it is selected optional floating. Optional floating is nothing but, here you can see this label is came above that text. Above the cursor, the label is there. That is optional floating. You can change that to anything like optional and run that. Now you can see this different. This label is now left side of the text field. It is out of the text field. You can see this employee. Like that, some default templates is there. You can do this and you can check out this. Here you can give any CSS classes, whatever you want. Here icon for that format mask with, and if this page item should be required, like you should not enter plan, you can mention here value required. Then while submitting the page, it will by default it will check for the empty, that whether the field is empty or not, and it will give you alert stating that this field should not be empty. And maximum of this number of characters I can hold, like maximum I need to enter, like the example phone numbers, so its maximum is 10. So like that we can mention here 10 numbers is the 10 characters is the maximum. This is also like CSS classes we can give. So like that some properties is there. While moving onwards, we can see the other properties. So then one more thing is we can create a button. This button is like a normal page buttons. Here you can see this is button, like clickable button. So same like here you can give a button name, and here label like click me I'm giving. This is a button label. Likewise, there is a template for button also, like text icon, text with icon. The icon now only you will get an icon. Here only text, here text with icon. You can select this out to get a colorful thing. And this is CSS classes. You can mention an icon. Let's say here this if you click on this icon now, you will get this font have some font apex icons. By default, this apex has a font have some library. So using that, you can load icons for your page items. I am searching for a new. New means I am getting some this. Otherwise, I am searching for a plus. Here you can see I am getting a plus icon. So after selecting that, I am running this. This is the icon which is rendered. This blue color is because of I am giving this, I am checked this art option. So it is coming as a blue color. And click me is a text, and this is icon. We have selected text with icon template. So we are getting both the things. And this is a static ID. Here this is the ID. In HTML, if you know HTML, we will be giving ID like this for every element. So that is the here static ID is that ID column. You can give any ID for here to reference JavaScript code. So these are the options majorly you will see in this. We will see in the next session. We will see the workflow, runtime workflow of this page. Thank you.